December 8th, 2020, practice / on your own. The table shows the weight of specific vehicles that are in Beechwood Mall's parking lot. How many pounds does a semi-truck and a Ferrari all together weigh? All right, so we need to look at the semi-truck and the Ferrari. So right here, a semi-truck weighs 40 tons and a Ferrari weighs 2 tons. So I'm going to put that in like a greenish. So we have our semi-truck, which is 40 tons, and Ferrari is 2 tons. Well, what are we going to do with that 40 and that 2? We're going to add them. So 40 tons plus 2 tons, we know that equals 42. So our start is going to be 42 tons. Yes, I just did 42, 40 plus 2. So we're starting with 42, and I'm going to put a capital T for tons. Now we're going to put that over 1 because we can turn anything into a fraction if we put it over 1. Or a 1 in our denominator because divided by 1, anything divided by 1 is itself. Now, we're trying to get from tons, we're trying to figure out how many pounds they both weigh together. So we're trying to get to pounds. So from tons to pounds, so LBS, and we're trying to get rid of those tons. So let's look at our conversions. Pounds and tons, pounds and tons, pounds and tons. 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. All right, now, well, we're going to start multiplying. But first we can cancel out our tons because tons divided by tons equals 1. All right, the denominator, 1 times 1, that equals 1. Yeah. Now the numerator, the top of our fraction, 42 times 2,000. Well, we're going to figure that out, aren't we now? So we're going to do 42 times 2,000. 2,000. There we go. All right, I'm going to move this over so I give myself a little bit more room. I'm going to move this over because it's awkwardly to the right there. All right, let's multiply. So we're multiplying straight across here. We're multiplying. 2 times 0 is 0. Uh-oh, I'm going to need more zeros. I already have a feeling. All right, so 2 times 0 again is going to be 0. 2 times 0 again is going to be 0. 2 times 2 is 4. Oh, thank goodness. We are done with this too, so that means we're moving over a place value, which also means we have to put a placeholder of 0. Now we have 4 times 0. Yep, it is 0. 4 times 0 again. Yep, it's 0. 4 times 0 again. Yep, it's 0. 4 times 2? 8. Let's add them up. Add them up, add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 again, 0. Oh man, more zeros. 0 plus 0 is 0. Never seen so many zeros in my life. Oh wait, we don't need more zeros. We can put that up there. 4 plus 8. Oh my goodness. Whoa, I'm looking at too many zeros. 4 plus, these look like 8s. 4 plus 0 is 4. And then 8 plus 0 is going to be 8. Are there any decimals that we need to worry about? Nope. So our answer is, in fact, 84,000. So 84,000. I'll make it a little smaller for us. And we are also going to keep the pounds because we did not finish those pounds. So 84,000 LBS, or pounds. So, in our final answer over here, 84,000 pounds divided by 1. Well, we're just going to keep that as 84,000 pounds. Woohoo! And that is it for our answer. I'm going to highlight this box, but you absolutely do not have to. I'm just going to highlight it yellow so I know that that's my answer. And there we have it. Great job!